Hi friends, welcome to Galaxy Network. Here, you can listen to English essays with clear pronunciation and learn English easily. This will help you improve your vocabulary, grammar, and speaking confidence. Listen daily, practice regularly, and enhance your English skills. In today's video, you will hear an essay on education. Stay with us and keep listening.
Education is the key to a better future. It is the process of learning and gaining knowledge, skills, values, and good habits. Education helps us become better people and live a successful life. It is not just about reading books, but also about learning how to live, think, and behave in society. From childhood, we go to school to get an education. Teachers help us understand the world around us. They teach us subjects like English, maths, science, and many more. But education also includes learning discipline, honesty, respect, and kindness. Education opens doors to many opportunities. An educated person can get a good job, earn money, and live a comfortable life. More importantly, education helps us make good decisions and solve problems wisely. It makes us confident and responsible citizens. In today's world, education is very important for everyone, boys and girls, rich and poor. It is the right of every child to get a good education. A nation becomes strong and successful only when its people are educated. Conclusion. Education is like a light that removes the darkness of ignorance. It shapes our future and helps us lead a meaningful life. We must always respect our teachers and never stop learning, because learning is a lifelong journey.